guys to another Beast Run video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And guys, by the way, we said Nathan will have a voice review. We are trying to defeat the Windy Bee. Oh no, I just got freed. And 3, 2, 1, Nathan talking to Mike.
What's up, guys?
So that's Nathan. He's gonna be chatting in the chat box as we play. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what is gonna be my new nickname. Let's get it. By the way, my ticket planter is almost done.
Yo, I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this.
What happened, Nathan?
Come to my base.
By the way, guys, I got something from the ticket sprout. It's very cool.
I got a Tide Popper sticker. Look. A Tide Popper sticker.
That's rare. Me. Wait, Nathan, wait, hold on. Let me trade with Nathan. I'm coming. Nathan, where are you?
I'm trading with lots of people.
I guess. Sprout has appeared.
Who's go? Who said go?
Yep, I found it. Here we go. Woo! Let's get this sprout right here. It's gonna be very good luck. Here we go. Saving up my the Windy Bees in the field. Actually no, it's in a clover field. Oh yeah.
What kind of sprout is it?
Basic. Let's go to Windy. Well, let's go to the Windy Bee. There's a moon sprout right there. Oh my days. Whoa. Victus Bee and Windy Bee going on. That's crazy. Where's the Windy Bee going? Oh no, he's going somewhere else. Where's the Victus Bee? Oh, in the cactus field. Get something. Oh, yes, we got a magic bean, guys. No, we gotta get that Victus Bee. Is anyone fighting him? Oh no! This one is on the second guy. come on. We did it. Three stickers. Let's go to the blender, guys. Ooh, feel dice, smooth dice, super smoothie. I had super smoothie before. It was cool. Turpentine. Ooh, okay. I don't believe. I don't trust that one. Okay, let's go to the ticket machine. Actually, no. But sticker machine. Let's see. I want software. What extract? 3 stickers. I want to check is here. Ooh, micro. Let's do this. Alright, let's go. Whee! Three, two, one. If you, I'm just shushing myself so I can have good luck. What? It just disappeared. This one is level 8. No, no, no. Nope. Nope.
What was that?
Glitter. That's a basic sprout. Whoa. Okay. Hasty bee. Ooh, I forgot to use these. Or let's do some stuff in our hive. Elf cap. Who should we give it to? Ooh, diamond bee.
You got a diamond?
Yeah. Who should I give the scarf to? Gifted red bee. Worm scarf again to another gifted red bee, but level 7. Come on. Oh yeah. Single mitten to 7.
Okay, how do I go in? Do you know?
Really?
I'm trying to earn an ace bag. I can't.
It literally says it. So, back on it, let's try to give some bees wax, soft wax, see what happens. So, oh wait, I forgot I have a magic bean, but I don't see my scarf anywhere, so instead,
I don't have an ace bag. I have an ace bag.
go like that.
Yeah, I don't have an ace bag.
Okay. Go like that. Let's use the ninja bee. 14 royal jelly. That's crazy, guys. Level 8. Who should we give it to? Looker bee likes what? What does he like? I think he likes pineapples. Does he have sunflowers? No. Oh, he likes sunflowers. Give it on. Yes. Yeah. Give some treats. Give moon charms to him. Come on, guys, we got this. And we got bitter berries. Alright. Got gingerbread bear. After that, let's try to feed the looker bee more. So the demon bee has like strawberries. Actually, never mind. He likes something else, but that's fine. So who likes pineapple? Anyways, before we do pineapple, let's change our bees first. We're going to epic now. Oh, okay. So, let's see. We have one level 8 right now. Okay. Let's give this. Who will level up? Well, let's give it to level B. Oh, cool. So we have level 6. Bomber bee likes sunflowers. What about lion bee? He likes pineapples. Let's give him pineapples. Pineapples. Oh yeah! We're getting it, guys, so gotta do this. Here's the game plan. Let's go to Cloverfield and spawn a sprout. Let's go, guys. It's my brother's ticket sprout. Nathan, I think your ticket sprout is finished. Nathan, your ticket sprout is finished.
No, not yet.
It is.
79%.
29?
I said 79.
Oh, mine is 80 something.
That's why.
Oh, my bad, Nathan. My fault. Alright. The ticket planter is about to be growing. Ooh, a few more minutes until it's ready, and I'm gonna explode it. Get a lot of tickets. Like over 20? Yeah, about 20.
Royal jelly.
Bruh. Ooh. Come on, come on. Yes.
Come on, almost there. Almost there.
Just a wee bit more. Come on.
We need more.
Ooh.
500 star kills.
Oh. Oh.
We need more.
I catch that one. Come on, come on, come on.
500 star kills.
Come on, come on, come on. Near there. You're almost there. Humbly. Bam. Bam. Rare jelly. Yes. Why is bro in the edge?
I got it.
How do you get it?
Got it.
Oh, come on. Okay, now let's try to get...
And a honey storm.
After the honey storm, it's Nathan. After the honey storm, you do it, okay?
I already did it.
So you have to wait 4 more hours.
Bro, honey rush is so hard.
Yeah, it's so hard.
Again?
Yeah. It's my honey storm.
Honey storm will help.
Oh no, it's so laggy. Oh no. Ooh. I see how it is. Oh. Okay. Alright, get it. Okay, let's go. Nathan, do you have neon berries?
No.
You need neon berries. Neon berries are good for leveling up your bees. I just level up my ninja bee to level 8 right now.
I got it.
Here we go. The timer is 6 minutes. Not bad. Come on, go. Yes. So I need 3 mythics to summon the meteor shower. I wish I could. I wish I want
need a
to.
shower.
Yeah, we need a meteor shower.
We might get a purple potion.
Oh, not good timing. Let's go again. Oh no, I'm back. Ooh, let's get some treats. Yo, I found 4 gingerbread bears.
Okay. Okay.
Let me just get 100. That's all. Here we go.
Yo, look how big my sticker planter is.
Of course, it's gonna be big.
Do I have to wait for 3 days?
Oh wait, maybe.
I accidentally
Let's
did.
change our cool bee. Rascal bee, you're rascal. Okay, so we got the looker bee in the bottom. It's time now.
We are the wolf clock.
I'm going. I'm about to. Just upgrading my thingy. Here we go. 6 more minutes until the sticker printer is finished. There it is. Shh. That means look. The wealth clock is 10 minutes.
8 more days until Beastmas ends.
I'm gonna miss Beesmas.
Bro, Beastmas is so fun.
You have your chance, Nathan. Whoa. It's nighttime.
3 gingerbread bears.
Ooh. Ooh, let's go. I'm trying to get an ace badge. Bro, getting an ace badge is so hard. There's like a royal jelly in there. Let's go, bees.
No, not a royal jelly, a star jelly.
Yeah. It's like a royal jelly. You could get it like that stuff. Here we go. Yo. Whoa. Dude. Why are you giving me this stuff? You good?
I just want to give you this stuff.
You don't want it?
What?
You don't want these?
I don't want those. I'm giving you all the things I have.
Why you don't want those? Those are good.
You're giving me nothing?
I thought, oh, okay. There. Here. That's for honeysuckles. Red extract. Take that. That's it.
Wait, can you show that again? I'm just gonna check it.
It's one oil. That's... Hurry up, gang. What do you... Bro. Ooh, it's almost done. Ooh, why is there a gummy sprout? There's a freaking gummy sprout. Oh, glue! Yes, neon berry! Neon berry! Yes. No? I need glue. Glue's right there. How bro did I get it? Yes, I got a neon berry again. I got a neon berry, so let's give it to this dude right here. Oh yeah.
What?
Give it to Looker B again. Gotti. Here we go. It's the same.
Yo. Yo. I got another music beat. Yee. Wait, do the while I scroll on.
Okay, guys, here we go. Finding some honey, so. Ooh, let's go to the Cloverfield now, because I think my ticket plan is finished. Let's go. I'm here.
Wait, what? What's our ticket planter?
It's right here. 99.9%. 100. Here we go. Yo! Oh my gosh. Star Jelly! I just got a Star Jelly! From the ticket planter! If I plant it in the clover field.
Wait, check the messages. What does it say?
I don't want to check it, but at least I got it.
That's why I'm planting my sticker planter on the clover field so I can get it.
If you have good stickers, give me it, okay?
But I like my cool stickers, like the wand. What do you call it?
The wave wand, something.
No, not that.
Here we go. We will transform the red bee. No, not brave bee. Red bee.
My rat bee turned into a music bee. Gifted, you gotta gift it, gifted tadpole bee. No way! What?
April Fools! I just April Fools my brother gang.
GG.
GG. Oh, I think my ticket.
Rita, I got a royal jelly from a mushroom.
Okay.
And I didn't know.
Nathan, if you play for like 30 more minutes, it will.
Growing.
Yeah, it doesn't grow when you're not in the game. Okay, there it is.
Oh, Rita, look how many legendaries I have.
A lot. Oh yay, we're finished. Okay, let's go with the traffic light now. I don't really see the traffic light. Enemies, honeysuckle, oil, red extract. For a red extract, 3 stingers. Yeah, buddy. What? What happened, Nathan? Congratulations, congratulations. Well, let's play the memory match. Let's play the memory match. Lucky Duck.
Please give me a lion bee.
Yes, I got 3. I got 3 royal jellies. I'm a winner.
I got a demo bee.
You know what? Let's go to level 10 and play the other memory match. I'm excited, guys. Should I win or should I better luck next time? Put it in the comments. Come on.
They're keeping saying better look.
I know. But it's better luck next time. Ooh, there it is. There it is. It's coming. Drop. Here we are. Lucky match. Play lucky, play lucky. 3 chances? No! This is right there. Better luck next time. Okay, bro. Better luck next time. Ooh, ooh. I seen you. If you eat that much ladybugs. Bet that. One. I got That's one. Nathan, how many percent is your paper planter?
36.
Instant. Let's wait for Nathan, guys.
Green, I'm trying to get 1,000 snowflakes.
What? Ooh, okay. Okay, guys, that's the end of our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. So, thank you guys for everything, guys. Bye-bye. By the way, guys.